I'm Sulochana Betwala, co-founder and COO at Total. We're here at the Seamless to explore opportunities, and there are a lot of ideas floating around, so we are going to make the most of it.
Hi Sulochana, thank you for taking time to talk to the integrator. Sulochana, you're at Seamless and Total has a booth here. Could you tell me about your association with Seamless and what's your objective of being at Seamless?
Okay, so it's a fantastic opportunity. This is our first time. Total brings along a lot of capabilities that we will be showcasing to a lot of individuals here. Seeking opportunities. That's our main objective.
So, Sulochana, I wanted to tell my audience a bit of story with Total. So, how did you start the company, and what was your thought behind the company?
Okay, this is a very interesting question, and I love to answer that because Total tracks back about in 2017. Total was called Snap. There is a whole lot of innovation and a pivoting that happened. I am associated with this fantastic tech since 2019. At the time, we were serving the supermarket industry. Of course, cashback, it's still cashback was the core at all times. So, yes, the model was different. We worked with supermarkets. We did see a lot of traction, interest because of the way this was built, right? It had a lot of creativity in place, meaningful propositions for the end users, for the businesses who wanted to showcase themselves, correct? Now, pandemic hit. We all saw what kind of a downfall everyone went through, So it was not really about a particular better brand or a small brand. Every business suffered. Mm-hmm. That's where we had a very important responsibility, as I can tell you, to create something more sustainable. That emerged, that actually gave birth to Total. It was called Snap back then. And yes, we work with, businesses, showing them the benefit, because that is the best thing that we could do to make them the adopters of the tech, right? So Total came up as a pandemic-born product. That's where we seeked an opportunity, and we got it. Today, we house 600 plus partners, closely working with them with a common goal of retaining the people who spend with them.
So that's a simple way to put it, retaining the people that spend with them.
Yes.
My next question is, tell me about the dynamic retail landscape that you've been talking right now. And what are the new features that you have been adding into Total? And what's the kind of unique proposition that Total gives to consumers or the business partners?
Okay, so look, I'm going to answer this bit by bit. I think you've asked me 3 questions, so I'm going to answer one by one. So the retail landscape that we are looking at, it has immense potential. This market is made out of different business segments, and we cater to every business segment, making it relevant, because every single time a customer spends with the business, it becomes important to retain that customer. We come into effect automatically, right? Now, talking about the USP. See, the USP is unique for every both the sides, because we are a B2B2C. While we are catering to the merchants, we also have a very important responsibility towards the consumers who are actually spending their money, right? So let me talk about the merchants first, which means we work on retention. We get the customers who spend with them once to bring back that customer multiple times. Studies also talk about how much it requires for a business to spend on a new customer, which is actually 6 to 7 times more expensive than retaining a customer. So we're bringing the operational viability there, right? So you spend less to acquire or to maintain an existing customer, because he knows you, right? Plus, we also, create that unique proposition to retarget those relevant people who've spent with the business, which means the customers can actually see more value in spending with the same business. It's not a it's not a new thing for them because they've already interacted with the business, so they will find it more compelling to go back. So it's like a win-win situation, correct? Now, coming to the consumers, the actual end users who are spending their money, again, it's very important that I as a customer get the highest value, right? So important part is, how is it making me more comfortable? Customers really need that from wherever they spend. The ease of use. Total makes it possible. Why? Is because we have a no app requirement, which is just scanning a QR code and making a payment, and you still get that cash back. And it gives you the highest value back because it's offered directly by the business, which I can spend at the same business.
Okay.
Right? And so this is a kind of a very unique way of creating this payment system, right?
So let me ask you about the digital payment ecosystem that continues to evolve in this part of the world. What trends do you foresee in the future dominating in this landscape as a co-founder?
Shrijit, it's again a very interesting question. Let me break it up into 3 parts. First is, of course, we are going towards a digital world. Digital payments is the future. We are directly integrated with the country's vision to be cashless, right? And we blend very well because our focus is also to cater to businesses and also give to the consumers the maximum what they can get, right? So it automatically complements everything. So the vision by 2030 is to have a great influx of people coming in, residing here, making spends, of course, because that is where the entire retail industry stands. So it has immense potential. The second bit is, talking about AI. AI is the buzz. It is one of the most basic fundamental requirements of any payment or any business landscape, right? What we are doing at Total is we are actually blending it with our payment ecosystem, like payment technology, on how we are able to leverage on the AI technology, right? Which means we're able to create, like, although it's at a basic stage right now, we're able to bring in more propositions, more meaningful for the customers who initially interacted with the brand, right? And so it makes it more worthy for a customer to look at it. More value. Businesses can leverage on the technology that we are creating because, of course, they don't have that tech acumen to actually, they would want to do their business first. We want to be their tech partner.
So you provide great flexibility to all businesses that operate through Total.
Yes.
So let me ask you one final question. What's your goal in the short-term future? How do you see, what's the next achieving target, or what's the next feature that's going to be coming in Total? Do you have can you give me a brief idea on the next immediate 2, 3, 4?
Oh, I love to answer this question, Srijit. Having a very humble beginning, of course, it started off with really the merchant number 1 to explain what we envision. Today, seeing it work has only helped us to have greater goals. Yes, to answer your question, we want to be a part of every business side. Retail is a very, very huge industry. We want to be a part of their payment, as well as we want to help businesses retain their customers, because that is where the growth lies. And that's how we want to work, and that's our vision. And we want to partner with more and more businesses, wanting them to adopt this technology first. Yeah. That's from me.
Wishing Total all the great success, and hopefully we'll be capturing some of those successes on camera. Thank you for taking time to speak to me, Sulochana.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Richard.